Guess what? It's the video you've all been waiting for. Welcome back, Disney Cruisers, to the channel. Give that big thumbs up button a click down below so I know that you're here. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then go ahead. You can click it. Yep. Click. Okay, great. I'm Ashley. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm going to tell you all about packing, how I pack, my permanent packing list that I always keep with me. It never changes, but there are a few add-ons. So I'm going to talk about a few things, and then I'll also put it up on the screen so you can pause it and then look through my list that way, so I don't have to list like every single thing, but I will highlight some things. The first thing I want to do though is tell you how I pack with my suitcases and what I bring in each one. Disney Cruise Line, in your packet of information, when it gets close to your cruise, about 30 days before, will give you luggage tags. They will give you 2 luggage tags per person. I only take 6 things, 6 suitcases, 6 pieces of luggage, and then I also take a carry-on or 2 carry-ons. Either I get a carry-on and my husband does, or we just do one, depending on how much stuff we need to bring. So I'm gonna go through each bag that I take. One bag, obviously, just for me, all my stuff, clothes, normal, just what you would pack things. Second suitcase, all my kids' stuff, all their clothes, pajamas, shoes. Third, all my husband's stuff, clothes, shoes, all his things, toiletries, everything in his bag. So we all have separate bags, but my kids combine one. Then my fourth bag I bring is always princess dresses, because they're huge, but I don't have a big suitcase. It's just a little rolly suitcase, but we put in princess dresses, pirate night gear. If there's anything else that I'm bringing for dress up costume wise, like if it's a Halloween or a Merry Time, or if I'm bringing glow sticks, that sort of thing, that goes in a whole suitcase all by itself. My fifth suitcase are things like my USB fan, which is a fan that you're allowed to have on the ship. I'll link it below. I love it. I use it every time. Been no issues with it. Absolutely love it. Here's also a video about it. I also put in there decorations for the room if it's something like we're celebrating a birthday, or it's a Christmas cruise or Halloween or some holiday that we're around. I'll bring decorations. I don't buy the in-room gift decoration packages that DCL offers. I just bring my own stuff from the Dollar Tree because I love the Dollar Tree. We just got back from a Merry Time cruise. I put in there a Dollar Tree Christmas tree, a Dollar Tree Christmas skirt, Dollar Tree little ornaments and a star. I also got garland from the Dollar Tree that I used on our desk in the room, and then we also put it on our door. And then I also got from the Dollar Tree little like magnetic Santas and penguins and stuff, and because all the doors inside the stateroom are magnetic, I let my kids decorate the inside of the doors with those magnets. So those went in that suitcase. Oh, I also put sand toys in this suitcase as well for when they go to Castaway, and then I get them from the Dollar Tree and I just throw them away. I also put in here lots of medicine that we need. Sometimes I take tea bags. Just that suitcase is kind of like random things. And then my sixth bag I use, it's like a carry-on. I carry it on with me, but it's one that I always have and never changes. And that bag has all my documents in it, my passports, birth certificates, copies of everything we need, travel documents. It has my door decorations in it because I like to decorate the door right when we get there and not wait for my suitcase. It also has headphones in it, chargers. My daughter also has to take amoxicillin like every day of her life, so I have to take it with me and it can't get hot, so I can't pack it in another suitcase. So I put her amoxicillin in this as well, and my medicine and my husband's medicine. So medicine that has to be taken daily and can't be missed, like if they lose my luggage or falls in the ocean, or I don't know, if something happens to my luggage and I can't get my medicine like Dayquil and cough syrup, all that goes in my packed luggage. All right, and then the optional bag that we bring sometimes is our formal night bag. It's a garment bag. I have a description linked below that I love. I love this garment bag. We only bring it when we are deciding to do formal night or semi-formal night, and I bring my beautiful dress that I love, my cruise dress. I also put my dress shoes in it. Like there's a lot of different compartments, so then when we take those, I bring more stuff and put more things in there like jewelry and things like that. But we don't always bring our garment bag because we don't always participate in formal night or semi-formal night. If you don't know the difference between those, I do have a video. I love that video, so you should check that one out for sure. All right, and then we also have either one more carry-on bag or 2 more carry-on bags, depending on how much stuff we bring. These carry-on bags have our wine and caffeine-free Diet Coke bottles. You could put swimsuits in this if you want to swim right when you get on the ship. This would be the bag to put your swimsuits in. So that is always how we pack. Always. Those are always the bags I use. If you cared enough, I could even go in my closet and get out all my bags. Actually, some are still out because I haven't even unpacked all of them yet because I hate unpacking. I love cruising. I hate packing. I hate unpacking. I just hate it. I hate it so much. Like, I know you're like, oh, but you didn't even have to clean anything in your house for a whole week. You should be fine with this. No, I hate it. I dread it. I hate the whole process. So I do still have some of my suitcases out, but I use the exact same suitcase for the exact same items every single time. In fact, some of my suitcases still, like, they always have sand in them because they just constantly have sand in them from my girl swimsuits, because that's what I use it for. So there you go. This is my list. I will type it out and show you on, like, I'll pop it up on the screen at the end. But I do also want to show you my Caddy bag. This is a bag that I normally take, like, a lot. I also take to the parks with me. Look, I got this little keychain for $1.99 on the ship. It was on clearance. I don't know why, but I bought it because why would you not buy that? So I have it on this bag. But I love these bags and I love taking them on the cruise because, okay, I know you're like, this looks just like the bag that you get as a Castaway Club member. And yes, it is. It looks just like it. It's much better quality. It doesn't say Disney Cruise Line and it doesn't say Castaway Club member on it. The ones you get for the Castaway Club, the zippers make no sense. The zippers make much more sense on these because every time you have it on your back, you wear it like this, and whenever you want something, you flip it over like this, and look, all the zippers are facing up. So I unzip it, and it's all facing up right here. I apparently have a water bottle in here. It's very heavy. I don't know what all is in here. But all the zippers, even this one on the bottom, that one's facing up. Oh, some sunglasses, and look. Oh, no, they're not Disney. They're shotguns. I was wondering where those were. Anyways, all right, so all the zippers, they're up. Even this one, like where you put your phone or whatever you need, it all is up. Sometimes we take this to Castaway, like I'll take it on the beach, but nothing falls out. On the Castaway Club ones, if you flip it over like this and you unzip it, it all falls out. These are fabulous. They come in a whole bunch of different patterns and colors, and I just love them so much. I'll put a link to them in the description. I'm not even sponsored by them. I'm not, like, I just love them. I think you should get one. They are perfect for cruising. Perfect. And I don't care, like, if it gets beat up. Like, this is not the cleanest anymore, but you can wash it. Link in the description if you want to check these out. I love them for the cruise. Love them. All right. So that's like kind of all the bags they bring. Here's my list that I use, but here you go. You can pause it and look at it. I do want to stress to make sure you have all your medicine and all your important documents out and not packed away. And then also, people talk about this all the time. People overpack all the time. You will not wear everything you bring. You do not have to change that much. Most of the time you're in your swimsuit anyways, and then you change for dinner. You don't really need as many clothes as you think you need. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Toodaloo, cruisers. Bye.